Hello YouTube, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial truck sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today we're taking a look at another 2018 Chevy 3500 delivery truck. Under the hood, this has the 6.0 V8 Vortec gas engine with 110,000 miles. Back here in the business section is a 15-foot Supreme aluminum cargo box. It comes equipped with a loading ramp, LED lighting, and D-rings. Keep in mind that we offer competitive financing, extended nationwide warranties, and delivery nationwide. So check out our website for more details at Truck-n-Trailer.com.